$1,000 a day equals $365,000 a year. This salary places someone in the top 1% of earnings worldwide. If you're ready to make money online or start a side business with this much potential, you're in luck. I'll explain how to generate $1,000 a day and share my strategies in this post. Some of these strategies helped me achieve this aim. All other options can earn $1,000 or more per day. Start it. Make $1,000 a day. Start internet enterprises to make $1,000 a day. Other methods involve in-person enterprises or investing ideas. Consider your abilities and the type of business you want to run to maximize your potential. Let's explore ways to make $1,000 a day. Make money blogging. Blogging is my favorite way to make $1,000 a day. I've done it a couple times in my blogging career. Blogging is excellent since your income limit is technically infinite, depending on traffic and monetization. In 2021, this online world made $92,000. This online world earned $272,000 in 2022. Mediavine and affiliate marketing generate most of my revenue. I often make $1,000 from these two sources. Mediavine ads bring me $300 to $400 a day, mostly passively. Affiliate income can sometimes reach $500 to $1,000 a day. There are various ways to monetize a blog, and if you create a following, you can make $1,000 a day or more. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. 1. Other blogging revenue streams include selling sponsored posts, $1,000 plus. Selling your courses. Online coaching. Blogging requires time and effort to develop traffic. But if you understand SEO and stick with it, you never know. After 4 years, blogging is my full-time career. Starting a blog is cheap. Namecheap offers domain names and WordPress hosting for less than a cup of coffee each month. Blogging requires no publication experience. If you stay with it, blogging can earn $1,000 every day. 2. Start a web store. Start an online business to make $1,000 a day. Like blogging, this is difficult. E-commerce businesses have virtually unlimited income possibilities. There are many low-cost options to establish an online business. Etsy stores are free to open, and listing items costs 20 cents. Many Etsy merchants offer vintage, handmade, and digital items full-time. Etsy print-on-demand selling and manufacturing partnerships are more options. When I attempted generating money with memes in college, I sold stuff with trendy designs, which sold out quickly. Etsy pod partners like Printify make pod selling easy. Printify lets you build and sell 100+ products with its simple product design tool. Apparel backpacks. Canvas prints. Hats, homeware. Phone cases. Stickers. Yoga mats. Shopify stores start at $29 per month. You can then offer your own products or digital downloads like printables or digital art. You get the idea. Creating a $1,000 a day online business takes time. If you have a product or design idea, establish an e-commerce business. 3. Start a service business. Start a service-based business if you have a valuable expertise to make $1,000 a day. People will pay a lot for specialized services they don't want to undertake themselves. High-paying niches can make $1,000 a day. Landscaping projects can cost tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Pool demolitions are also pricey. If you have that skill set, you may offer a service to make a lot of money quickly. Lawn Love connects homeowners with landscapers. Find odd jobs in your city on TaskRabbit. Other lucrative service businesses include handyman cleaner, dog groomer, washer, photographer DJ, makeup artist, hairstylist, mechanic, painter plumbing, private chef or caterer, tech support. Landing huge jobs or outsourcing many smaller ones can let you make $1,000 a day. My Boston friend began a snow shoveling side business this winter. He hired assistants and worked up more contracts after realizing he could earn $50 to $150 per driveway in wealthy Boston neighborhoods. He could easily make $500 in a weekend. This proves that growing a service-based firm may make $1,000 a day. 4. Retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage can help you make $1,000 a day. This business concept involves discounting popular products from large box stores and reselling them online for profit. Retail arbitrage merchants typically shop in clearance aisles at Kohl's, Macy's, and Walmart. Retail arbitrage sellers sell on Amazon FBA after stocking up. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, enables you ship products to Amazon warehouses so Amazon can ship and fulfill sales. Sellers can focus on inventory and listing management rather than shipping and customer service. What you sell has many options. Popular retail arbitrage goods include apparel, books, electronics, home goods, kitchenware, shoes, toys, video games. Retail arbitrage requires time and practice to scale. This business strategy can earn $1,000 or more every day. I interviewed a millionaire retail arbitrage pair. They're making over $1,000 a day on Amazon FBA, just one sales channel. You can sell on eBay, Mercari, and specialist sites like Poshmark. If you desire fast cash, you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Retail arbitrage requires capital. However, flipping things can earn $1,000 per day. My post on $1,000 things to sell includes more ideas. 5. Rental income. Building a passive income rental empire is a good side venture. Airbnb has made renting out spare rooms or entire homes for cash popular. Buy homes or tiny properties, turn them into Airbnb rentals, and hire someone to handle guests and the property. I wish to test this company strategy, which can be very profitable. This isn't $1,000 a day, but it's a step towards making money on autopilot after outsourcing property management. Property and land purchases require capital. However, the small house rental business appeals to me, and if you bought a cheap container home or built your own tiny home, initial costs would be modest. People are also developing two-row rental car fleets. Arrived makes investing in income-generating real estate much simpler. This crowdfunding site lets you buy rental property shares and receive rental income dividends. Again, scaling to $1,000 a day in revenue requires a lot of assets, but this is an alternate investment. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.